Mix 102.5, the best mix from the 90s to now. It's Big Papa in the afternoon. Talking to Jen from the Estate Planning Law Center, French Road in New Hartford, 793-3622, eplawcenter.com. Jen, how are you today?
I am well. How are you?
I'm fantastic. We always talk about serious stuff, and you and I have a good rapport, and it's fun chatting. But it's always serious stuff that we're talking about, and sometimes the hardest conversations are the ones that you have to have. And you get through these, and then you can kind of go ahead with everything else. But it's so important to talk about estate planning.
Yeah, I know. I do it every day.
So with COVID kind of kicking in a little bit more with the new variant and everything else, there's a lot of people that were able to see loved ones and now are having issues again. If you have an elderly relative, whether it's a parent or a grandparent, and they're in assisted living, but is there a way to help get them out of assisted living and get them home and have somebody come to their home? Is there a way to do that through estate planning?
Yeah. Yes, absolutely. So you can always hire home care workers, right? They're out there and there are agencies that provide that, but then the difficulty becomes on paying for it. So if they're, they have limited resources or they want to utilize the Medicaid system, you actually can be qualified for home care Medicaid. And we talk about that all the time, but it's always amazing to me how many people don't realize that it's out there. So that it's the same kind of planning as if you were going into a nursing home, but you get that care at home.
And that's why I brought it up, because, people are facing this right now. Now, if this is someone's situation, what's the best way to go? What's step one?
Well, if that is the situation where you feel like, oh, yes, we absolutely need community Medicaid benefits, you can just go ahead and contact my office and we'll get you in for an appointment to discuss whether or not you are eligible or what you can do to be eligible. In fact, we have you can request a one-page form that you can put down your asset and income information, and we can get you an opinion letter out stating whether or not you're eligible or how soon you will be.
And for all those details, you can go to, you can call 793-3622, 793-3622, eplawcenter.com. Jen, we've been talking about, the Delta variant and how that is affecting things, especially with the elderly. But one thing that has come out of the pandemic is the fact that people are able to do more online. And there's an increased focus on being able to do things online. And that goes for the Estate Planning Law Center as well, right?
Right, absolutely. I'm so excited to talk about this because we are offering a product where you can get basic estate planning documents like your will, healthcare proxy, power of attorney, quickly and economically right from home. So there's a platform that we utilize, Guider, Guidr, and if you go to our website, you can see a link right to that. So it's a platform that we utilize as available through our law firm that allows clients to take advantage of the online planning without sacrificing supervision of a local attorney. So even though you're doing this online, you can select either as much or as little supervision you want from us, but it's all going to be backed by us.
That's really awesome, especially for people that are really busy and have a ton of different places to go. And, the kids have sports and there's activities and this, that, and the other. So be able to print it out, do it and do it right online and have that supervision from the Estate Planning Law Center really is a benefit.
Right, and it makes it more comfortable than just, sending all this information out to who knows where, to some robot somewhere in the cloud, right? But this is, we are backing this, we are reviewing it.
Yeah, it's going right to French Road in New Hartford, the Estate Planning Law Center. And again, if they want to access it, eplawcenter.com, correct?
Exactly, and then there's a button on there, Guider, Guidr. You click on that, and you can start your plan. eplawcenter.com, eplawcenter.com. Click on the Guider button there, and you're good to go. It's the Estate Planning Law Center, French Road in New Hartford, 793-3622. Add them on social media as well. Jen, always a pleasure. We'll talk to you soon. Okay, thanks.